So hi everyone, I'm going to talk about my favorite fragrance. The fragrance that I'm wearing a lot these days and loving it at the same time is the Black Musk range from the Body Shop. And this scent is like my kind of scent. Like it's a perfect blend of sweet and musky fragrances, musky notes, and it's not too masculine, but it's not too sweet, like a sickeningly sweet either. So those of you who love a perfect blend of sweetness plus muskiness in their scent, going to love this, absolutely love this. First of all, let's look at the packaging. I really like the packaging, and this is the carton, and that's how the bottle looks like. And this is the EDT. It's like Eau de toilet. I don't know. I'm not going to butcher French here. So this is like EDT. And can you look at the packaging? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I really liked it. It's like a sensuous. The packaging itself looks quite sensuous and quite interesting. You look at the packaging and think, what this product is, and then you look at it and see, okay, it's a perfume. The bottle looks quite interesting. So this black bottle, this is like an opaque black bottle. You cannot look through it. So the disadvantage here is that you cannot see how much product is left, but then it's okay. I mean, you cannot do anything much about it. And there is this fuchsia labeling here, and the another best part is the cap shuts very tightly, so you have to push it like with all your strength, and then it shuts, so that if you throw it in your bag or if you travel with it, it will not come off easily. So which is like another good thing. I have a lot of perfumes and their caps are like quite fancy and flimsy, and they kind of keep on falling even on my vanity. So this is a good thing. So, and I'm really loving this scent. Don't think that these products have been sent to me. That's why I'm saying that. No, I really enjoy this kind of fragrance. And now I'll tell you the three products that have been launched. So the range has one EDT, one EDP, and one perfume oil. So this is the EDT. This is a 50 ml bottle, and this costs rupees. Sorry, this is a 60 ml bottle. This EDT is 60 ml bottle, and this costs 2195. Yeah, 2195. The next is the perfume, and this is a 50 ml bottle. This is a 50 ml bottle, and this costs 3295. And the last thing is a perfume oil, which is like a tiny cute little 20 ml bottle, and this costs 2095. Where is the, yeah, here it is, 2095. So now I'll tell you the difference between the three, and I'll have the link of one of the YouTuber that I watch all the time, Magali, and her video will be linked in the info bar below. Go and check out her review of this range. Basically, because the kind of details she has given away in that video is like amazing. She has done a lot of homework and a lot of background work before talking about the fragrances, and you'll get a lot of information on the stuff. So I'll highly recommend. So do watch that video. I'll just leave the link in the description bar. So yeah. So this is the perfume oil, and perfumed oil, I have never tried perfumed oil. So perfumed oil is like a product that has the highest concentration of the fragrance in there. So those who are who do not like alcohol based body sprays or perfumes can use this stuff, because this stuff is really good. I have tried it a lot of times. In fact, I have tried it like almost like 6-7 times, and it hasn't caused any irritation or anything on my skin. What you do, it has this kind of applicator, a glass tip. So you take the glass tip and apply it on your pulse points. So, and it screws back the cap, so you can screw it really tightly. So apply it on your pulse points and your neck or your back of your ear, and the fragrance is like, it not make you nauseous, because it's not very intense scent, even if it's in an oil form. So I really like it. It stays on for me good. It stays on me for good like 8 hours, 8 plus hours, which is quite good. So this is the perfume oil. So if you do not like alcohol based products, or if you want to give a different kind of product a go, then pick this perfume oil. This perfume oil is going to last you a long time, because you do not need too much of product. So that's that. Next we'll move on to the EDP, sorry, the perfume. The perfume is like my favorite from this range. I like the oil because it's very interesting, but I like the perfume because of the ease of use and also the staying power. The fragrance stays on me for good 7+ hours. And even after 7 hours, it doesn't fade away completely. You can still smell it faintly on your body, which is like a good thing. So I really like this stuff. So if you like perfumes and if you like musky perfumes, this has to be in your collection because this stuff is really good. Considering the kind of staying power it offers, and from the price point also, it's pretty damn good. So yeah. Next thing is the EDT, which is like that has the lowest concentration, but again it's not like it doesn't really have a scent. It has the same scent, the same intensity of the scent. However, the scent stays on for 5+ hours, and then it kind of starts fading away, which is not a bad thing either. But if you are looking for a longer lasting perfume, longer lasting scent, if you do not like to reapply product during the day, you can give either the oil or the perfume a shot. So in short, I'm really impressed with this range, and I'll recommend it to you all who like these kind of scents, and give this a go, because I'll go to the store and check it out. Because another good part about the brand, the brand or the composition or the ingredients of this particular product is that all of these products have been sourced through community fair trade, and the alcohol that is used in these perfumes is not synthetic. It has been derived from sugarcane. So this black musk, EDT and EDP both contain community fair trade alcohol, which is derived from sugarcane. So this is like a Body Shop always supports and promotes fair trade, so that the farmers who grow the products, they get the best value of their products. So even if you're shelling out your money, you know that it also supports a good cause. That's all I have to say. I'll have all the prices of the products mentioned in the info bar, along with a link to buy them. If you would like to buy them, you can buy them from Body Shop online. And yeah, so that was all I had to say about the product, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.